Okay, for our final section, we're going to go deep. We're going to talk about a really powerful feature that allows your structs to communicate with other parts of the Go ecosystem. We're talking about struct tags.
This is the perfect analogy. Imagine you're putting little sticky notes on the fields of that blueprint we talked about. Now, the key thing to understand is that the struct itself completely ignores these notes. They're not for the struct. They are instructions for someone else, usually another Go package, like the JSON encoder.
Let's make this real. Check out this user struct. See those strings in the backticks? Those are the tags, our sticky notes. We're leaving instructions for the JSON package. The first one says, hey, for my name field, I want you to call it lowercase name in the JSON. The one on internal secret with a dash, that's saying, this is for my eyes only. Ignore this field completely. And that last one, omit empty, is super handy. It says, only include is published in the output if it's not empty, or in this case, if it's not false.
And voila, here's the result. The field name is lowercase, just like we asked. The secret field is gone, completely excluded. And because is published was false, it was omitted. We have completely controlled the final JSON output, all without changing the names of the fields in our actual Go struct. That is the power of tags.
So how does this magic actually work? It's a concept called reflection. When you tell the JSON package to process your struct, it doesn't know anything about your user type ahead of time. So at runtime, it inspects it. It goes through each field one by one, looks for those sticky note tags, reads the instructions, then reads the actual value from the field, and uses all that information to construct the final JSON output. It's basically a program examining its own structure to figure out what to do.
And this brings us to a huge point for anyone aiming for a senior engineering role. This is a very, very common interview question, and it's designed to test if you understand what's really happening under the hood. But the good news is, after these last few slides, you already have everything you need to nail the answer.
A really strong answer here would hit these 3 points. You'd say that it works using Go's reflect package to inspect the struct at runtime. Then you'd explain that you, the developer, control the output using JSON struct tags. And finally, you'd give a couple of quick examples, like renaming a field using omit t or hiding a field with a dash. That shows you don't just know what to do, you understand how it works. That's a huge senior level distinction.
So there we have it. We've covered the whole journey, from the basic blueprint of a struct to the critical difference between copies and pointers, all the way to advanced tricks with empty structs and the secret language of tags. At the end of the day, they are the foundation, the very DNA of almost every complex application you'll build in Go. So the only question left is, what are you going to build with them?